Hello people, SageFrame is all set with another set of its tutorial video, how to integrate a template. Here, the idea is to integrate this default template into the theme design of this. This time we are talking big, so buckle up yourself because we are now all set for template integration. Let's get started now. Let's start with our very first step by creating our own template. So you know it well. First, we need to click on dashboards. Now go to cPanel. There, click add templates. Now click add create templates. Give your template a name FoodLover. Click OK. Now this is the copy of the default template. To change the layouts or add layouts, first go to customize, go to layout manager, then click add create layout. Choose a clone from the drop down if you want to copy any previous layouts. Now give your layouts a name, for instance home. So now you see this is XML representation of layout. All the coding done in here determines how your layout will eventually appear. You see this plays vital role here. We can define our tags in it so that it becomes easy to understand. There are a set of instructions which if we follow, it would be easy to integrate a template. So you see this is our coding done in here will eventually appear like this. After you are done with it, click create. Now repeat the same drill and add another layout. So back to XML representation, we can also customize it according to our needs. What type of text we want, color, font, etc. And also where on the template we want our content and so on. For this you can create a tab here which directs you to another template. And that is exactly what I'm doing here, customizing my layouts. So according to my template needs, I'm creating my own tag, like in which section I want my placeholder to be. Of course, I'm defining its area as well by specifying the width. Okay, now let me talk about our layout section over here, which you can see. So we have here first SF header section, which is capable of holding multiple placeholders, and each placeholder can hold multiple positions. You can also add a delete placeholder depending on your template needs. Then we have SF content. This section has fixed positions which cannot add placeholders but can delete them. However, you can always add multiple positions to available placeholders depending on your needs. So at last we have here SF footer sections, which is also capable of holding multiple placeholders, and each placeholder can hold multiple positions. So while I was telling you guys about different layout sections, you guys also saw how my coding done in here will eventually appear. And that was something I tell you. Now let me continue with my coding here. So the good thing about this is everything is under your control, right from the white size to specific places of the placeholders. In this tutorial video, step by step, we will show you all the process. No shortcuts, surely there is another way as well to do this, but let's get into the depth and learn things. Because my friends, the main purpose of tutorial video is to make you understand each and every part clearly, isn't it? So keep calm and let me do my work. This might take a while since I have quite a number of layouts that I will be making. Now let me continue with it. Now quick look at our created layout. So here comes core. Now it's our default layout. Now it's time for our home layout, and yes, others layout. Now again let's have a quick look at our portal pages. So here goes home, contact, about us, and components. Now let's create page for our template. So click on create page. Here you need to fill out the form fields while creating a page, but keep in mind page name and page title are obligatory. Okay, so let's include the page in the menu by selecting menu from the drop down below. There it is, yes. Now once you are done selecting menu, let's go to page permission setting and select the users and admin. This determines you will have access to view and edit your page. After you are done, click on save. Now I am creating another page inside contact. So you just need to simply repeat the drill. Remember what's obligatory, yes, page name and page title, and as per your template design you can fill other descriptions. All you need to do is repeat the drill. Let's select menu also. There you go. Let's go to page permission setting again. Yes, now save. Okay, so let me first assign this page with one of the layout. Let me use others. Now preserve layout. Yes, now I'm done. So as for the need of pages, I have created few pages. Yes, page has been created successfully. Now, in order to associate our modules according with the modules of FoodLover template, it's time to assign modules to your page. So click on any created page. Just drag the modules you need from the right panel. There it is, and drop it to the folder where you want. Fill up the details and give permission as per your wish. Nothing is obligated here, but after you are done with it, don't forget to save it. Now quickly let me add another module. Now this time it's HTML, yes. So in module basics you can have option to show these modules to all pages, or you can either customize it. And also about this is active option, you see there, click the active checkbox. It will make module visible from the front page. Yes, now save it. It's time for another module. Menu is right there. Now assign the permission to the user's role by clicking on checkbox. Click the save button to save the permission. You can assign as much modules to your page, of course where it is needed as per your design and requirement. In the meantime, let me just add my modules in these different pages. I mean, the vital role of the modules is to make your template attractive, right? Okay, now let's check our so far accomplishment. Let's go to preview, and wow, it looks amazing. Now let's go back. Quickly let me add my logo. There it is. Click on edit. Choose a file and there it is, FoodLovers. There, logo set successfully. Yes. Let's go to preview now. And there's my logo, FoodLovers. Yay. Okay, let's go back. Now let's go and add our banner. Where it is? Yes, there it is. Click add edit. Okay, there you go. Give your banner a name. FoodLover. Choose a file. Yes. Now give your banner description and save it. Choose another file. Give some more banner description and save it. Now let's go to preview it. And it looks amazing. Yes. Okay, so there goes my logo and my banner. Okay, quickly let me add some more modules. Hygienic food. So description, there you go. Description, There you go. Now thumbnail image, choose a file. This time let me choose this one and save it. Delicious taste. So description. Some more descriptions. Again choose file. And save it. Now it's precise presentation time, so description, again choose file, and save it. Okay, now let's preview it. So see, there is our hygienic food, delicious taste and precise presentation, and I just love it. But hold on guys, I'm not done yet. Time for some more modules. You can see my beautiful template. Now put some content in About Us page. Yes, and now save it. Oh, it's time for photo links. So yes, in the meanwhile, let's know a few things about SageFrame. As you know, or if you don't know, then allow me to enlighten you that SageFrame has recently released its new version, that is SageFrame 3.8. Yes, and like in its ever release, there's definitely some improvement and additions of new features. So even this time, it is ready to take yet another leap with the release of SageFrame 3.8. This release is mainly focused on the benefits for the designers. With the addition of just a handful of features, this release introduces some minor changes like creating easy layout and editing template.css from web app. SageFrame's website is sleek and informative, which is always a good sign. SageFrame looks damn super cool. CMS equipped and exciting features, fascinating interface, dynamic good work. These are not my words, but reviews like this always encourages us to work better and serve better. As the motto of SageFrame has always been, simple installation simplifies your life. And if you're not still familiar with SageFrame, then click this link given below at the description and get ready to experience what you haven't experienced yet in the field of website and web designing. Now let's go back and preview it. Let's go down, and yes, there you go. So again, back to work and time for some more module. Now this is our About Us page. Save it and let's go to preview it. Let's go to About Us page. And yes, so guys, while browsing a website, you can also quickly switch into and out of edit mode. This is known as inline editing. I'm sure you are familiar with this. It is quite easy. as you can see, all you need to do is click this edit icon and start editing. Let me do more of inline editing. Okay, now I'm done with my inline editing. Let's go back and add some modules in my gallery. And let's add new photos. Now finally I'm done with my gallery as well. Let's go and preview it. And yes, you can see my gallery. Now again let's do some inline editing to add some more photos in my gallery. Let me add a few more photos to my gallery. Finally, I'm done with my gallery as well, and this is how my template looks so far. And voila, let's have a look at our brand new templates. And as usual, now that my work is done here, I am simply logging out. Thank you guys for watching us. Hope it was helpful to you. For more videos, please do subscribe us, and we will meet soon with our another set of tutorial video of SageFrame.